Dormahene bodyguards and a warning baby some per mo can say a threat.
Yeah, it was a threat. War Buno Regional House of Chiefs one no more so more serve and no more order or more issues are threatened and no more retrieve by and to return a report back to the court. Ni ohuno ye watwere back to the court enti nyame ya adoma court obehwemo ohuna there are other ways o metimi afa so amaya serve.
Is it not affront to our democracy say a high court judge or no mra no de ye adwuma no dem wa be judge na de ye mra na mu ye de be serve na no one court for isu say bodyguards air threat say ombuku
no correct, but I don't see anything more threat than a judge na nkasa betina nipa mo no waka say court to cast am amend so.
Dormahene we high court judge so you know the law. Me pacho enye na contempt nchen pe onim. Sometimes wrong. Hatred and ma uye niyama biya you are not supposed to do.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, baby. I will be able to check and see more. The name is Ben Bruce. I have Xposed GH. Subscribe, share me the two man. Now with Sakabi. Dormahene is in the news again. Nah, sometimes we can't say. Dormahene said, look, there's no galamsey in the Blue region. I say galamsey, even in the Blue region. Okay, regional minister was saying galamsey no mwenjaya. Me fire boy, you could see Dormahene.
Yura, Waba. Ni aya kan se galamsey na o tu susan. Umusa Jambadu and Doswin, make me to be a support. So, Nanga Drobo in on to on Yagaram said that. Nana Madam was it. Abono Ham and Tissa Pia or Yagaramsey. What is a Pia Yagaramsey? I'm asking a Baba Costabono. For Bonoha, Yagaramsey, eliminating the bar.
Garamsey. A idea. Sewa Bontia, Obacasa Bonomanin had ye. Garamsey, anyhow. Namba bosumu mwani na babi amawura ne garansi a medimani akohuno na nanom yantua na mo a ebeye kakra no na aduane ene yensuo no mpo yenya pinnom na mehyamobo se mampanyine di tumi ama me se regional minister garansi no yebetu so sa na eye afutuo na America se wa ya wadwene se obeye guarantee ene wo ye guarantee no obesesa wadwene efi se enche ye nyina ye betu ye ho agu forest no na wa ye betu bia nso ele na nanom wanimo na bia be pachewa enya ade bi se meti ase ye wo se mra di no mema mra adi no.
Galamsey has become a menace in Ghana. And now make us say militants from Burkina Faso, Ivory Coast, and Haifa, they are in our territory. You know what is called militancy? And no ye a kuobia omon ye recognized by the state on mefa tuo no mo ye etutrasem. And no be na say Galamsey campaigns no omo invite. Eti Dormahene me pa chao. Instead of there be a walk out to for asem no. Yes, Doma, Galamsey wo ho. Yes, Galamsey wo ho. Yes, a more dinya ukwanko. And no na ye focus your energies to. Then you make a say Dormahene, there's no need to seek rivalry. If Otunfo so a king, what's your problem? What's you catch also so a king? Now why you say there's no king? Constitutional and then I said that Otunfo and the other paramount chiefs. But on the constitution, were you not there? You were chief justice, so you were there. Why didn't you oppose to it? Who threw dust into people's eyes? And this has been going on and on and on. It's time to stop. Now you High courts are ruling, not ruling here. Almost say, Dormahene, Papa not too for any necessary now, most among Gazette no. Almost a Gazette no. I am na make a courts, Yanka.
Several binom akanipa ba ko a eye Dormahene anano ye ko ho se omoko sevu no na belief no ma yeti ase se ne machofu a omo ne ho no belief ne ko ye no omo treti belief no se omo pe omo nkwade a emo omo nra ho bailiffs no nso no omo ye mranim fo enti omo gyae enti bailiff no edi ne report aba back enti nyame ya adom na saa mra ne duru ye back court na judge ne hwɛ ne bailiff ne twere ye na obema ye kwan foforo a ye befa so a ye de be serve no ti say we in the process of serving for court to start the processes.
The bodyguards and a warning bailiff so mo per mo kwan say a threat or them.
Yeah, it was a threat. Wo Buno Regional House of Chiefs wono no mo ko so mo ko serve omo e no mo order omo issue sa threat no e no mo retrieve ye e ba ye nto wa return the report back to the court ndi ohunu ye wa twere back to the court enti nyame ya adoma court be hwe mo ohunu there are other ways omitimi afaso amaya serve wo.
Is it not affront to our democracy say a high court judge or no mran or the year juma no them wa be judge na the yam ran them ye the be serve na no one call for isu say the bodyguards air threat say ombuku
no correct, but I don't see anything more threat than a judge na nkasa betina nipa mo no waka say court ka asem amindi so wakada wa bie na no waka enti obi a waka say court di asem mindi so a wono no ye judge no no yes a ene macho man omudi na chidi omo nsu amra de so betimi aye bia ha enti say macho man fo e threat say obi ba ye beku no obusua afiri omo judge na omudi na chi a ono ni mra a wono ka say court ka asem a wondi so ono ne ye no no mo nsu afiri no
lemon idea e be ka say court ntimi isu ni warrant emfa nkwache na Dormahene because we bu ne mra bebre so
ye wo ekwan bebre wo ha na mekan ye wo kwan bebre a wo ha ye be fa so a ye be servo enti mere pam no nyame bem court bem kire direction no meja ama menua na wato aso na mede na
ai Dormahene we high court judge so you know the law me pacho enye na contempt nchew he onim sometimes wrong hatred e ma wo ye niam bi a you are not supposed to do because at the end of wo ye no wo onim say e wrong you know say in law once the court has given judgment, you need to follow suit. And then, oh yes, sir. Oh, be yana kofa kaseti yaw. Me wa kunya na oteso no so. Enya kunya ketwa. Me with this hatred for Otumfo. They be ambisa say Otumfo. Me pacho woni Dormahene na mo ku girl bi ho ana. E bia no agene girl. E bi kura na so yire na o Dormahene yire. Because the way our rivalry needs to know, I can't get it. What is it? Bibia asaba ba kwa na ese Dormahene kana enye so di Otumfo di no odi Otumfo di abem. What is it? Me pa to Dormahene me pa se ba to contempt me de munim se me bu ahemfo me pa mo chow Dormahene ni court na kan fire adwuma enye sa de a enye obi ne ku antwi Xposed chef members subscribe share me too man na won sa ka de
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.